Xiaomi Mi Max 4. Xiaomi Mi Max 4 smartphone runs on Android v9.0 Pie operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cryo 260 plus 1.84 GHz quad-core Cryo 260 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset. It has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. Xiaomi Mi Max 4 smartphone has a IPS LCD display. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and 358 pixels per inch pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 13MP primary camera, and on the rear, there's an 48MP plus 5MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 5800 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volta, and more. Xiaomi Mi Max 4 price in India. Xiaomi Mi Max 4 smartphone price in India is likely to be $229.72, 16,990 rupees. Xiaomi Mi Max 4 is to be launched in the country on April 30, 2020, unofficial. As for the color options, the Xiaomi Mi Max 4 smartphone may come in black colors. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.